Alright, so you want to use the chest shops. You want to know how to do the chest shops. Alright, you've been bugging me all day about it. I'm going to talk about it. Alright, so once you find yourself in the Grand Exchange or one of another player's shops, wherever it may be, you're going to go up to the shop and you're going to see a little chest with maybe a picture, maybe not, but you'll see a chest. It'll say their username, but in this case it says 4V shop. This is the server shop. So what you're going to look at here is you got the name of the owner, the first line. The second line, you got the quantity that's being sold per purchase. In this case, it's 1 dirt block for every purchase you make on this chest. The third line is the pricing. You have 1B, that means the customer is buying 1 dirt block for $1. In the case of the server shop, you're able to also sell things. So you got 0.40 cents selling it as a customer. You're selling to the shop, and then you have the item name at the bottom. When you want to make a purchase in the chest shop, first I'm going to check how much money I have by doing /BAL. I have $220.68. So if I want to buy 1 dirt for $1, I'm going to right click the sign. You bought 1 dirt for $1. So I can just keep clicking that, and then the more and more, I get more and more. Say I want to sell some dirt now. I have some dirt in my inventory. I have 6 dirt. So if I left click the sign, I'm selling it for 40 cents. But then obviously when I run out of dirt, I don't have enough to sell because I don't have any dirt. And then other example we got here, we have in the server shop example, you can buy stacks of dirt for 50. So if I right click the sign, I now have a stack of dirt. And if I left click the sign, I sold it for $20. I lost money there, but this is for the example because y'all be bugging me about it.
I mean, listen to me. We don't talk like that. We don't say things like that. You understand?
Hey, sorry. Forget about it.
And then I'm not able to do this because I'm the server admin, but if you right click the chest itself, you will get like a little text explanation of the sign in depth, I guess. Now I'm going to show you how to set up a chest shop. So let's head on over. Alright, we're in the town square now. We are going to head this way towards the community marketplace where you are able to buy a store lot and sell your own items in your own shops. As you can see, we already have 3 people who have bought some shops here and are selling their things. So in Ripper's shop, called the Rippy's shop. So if we go into Ripper's shop, we have him selling a bunch of different things here. An example, we got Ripper6, the username. He's selling a whole stack of cobblestone for $2 each. Now if you want to open up your own shop and make your own chest shops, what you would do is you would go to one of these signs in this nicely made complex I made. And what you would just do is right click the sign in front of any of these rooms, and then you would just buy it for $200. May change in the future, but for now it's $200. And then once you right click it, you now have ownership of the inside of this room, and you're able to break and place blocks, which allows you to create a chest shop, which I will now explain the correct formatting to creating a chest shop now. I'm now assuming that you've bought in your shop, you're ready to make a chest shop. So I'm going to go into my purchase lot, and the things you're going to need is a chest, a sign, the items that you're wanting to sell, and then an item frame for people to more easily see what you're selling. Alright, so first off, you're going to put your chest down wherever you want. As long as it's in the room, you will be fine. So I put the chest down, and then you're going to control click and right click the sign on the face of the chest. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type out your username exactly, or you can just leave it blank and it'll automatically fill it out for you. So now I'm going to sell I'm going to sell 1 diamond quantity, and then now the price that I'm going to sell it for, I'm going to do it for 500 each. So what you want to remember is when you're writing the sign, it's what the customer is doing, not what you're doing. So the customer is buying 1 diamond for $500. Now, if you don't want to receive any diamonds for people to sell to you, you can just leave it as B500. You don't need to do the S. If you want the customers to sell diamonds to you as well, you do space, colon, space, and then 250 S. But in this case, I'm just going to do it for a buying. And then you would just do a question mark, because it'll automatically fill out the item code name for you, so it's 100% correct. Hit done. But oh no, there's a question mark there. Click the sign with the item that the shop is for. You just right click the sign with the item, fills it out, and you just put them in there. And then customers can now buy your diamonds for you, and the money goes straight into your wallet. And then you can just put a little sign there, and put a little diamond right there. Make it look all pretty. Now, alternatively, what you can do is to skip that step. Is you can put the chest down, put the diamonds in, then do the sign. So I'm gonna do 1B500 question mark, and it fills it out. Oh, no, it's already done. And that's basically it for chest shops. And then once it's out of stock, it'll say on the sign, out of stock. Your sign will automatically update for you, letting you know and customers that you are out of stock with this said item. That's basically it. If you have any questions, hit me up in the DM. Later!